This we have considered. Yeah. Yeah, if you have, see, the system is designed for 7,000 meter cube per hour. Are you expecting more than 7,000 meter cube per hour? If yes, then we have to do re-engineering.
Because no, this is not possible in one case because you are balancing time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Before or after?
Before.
Before, then it's possible.
No, balancing tank is after this, no?
After we make the
Before balancing time. Okay.
Your rising main is coming before balancing tank.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Your like for more flow means your tanker discharging partly. That also condition.
Yeah, that
What
we have.
else?
Yeah. Rising main serving more flow. His concern is rising main.
Yeah.
More flow, then what happens? That question is answered by client.
More flow alert should be less should be.
No, so how you are controlling this more flow? Because it is coming from some pump house. So you have no control on pump house.
Yes, no, but there should be signal.
No, but what you are going, okay, we will generate the system, the signal. But what you are going to do with that signal?
That also is not. They should have the communication.
What
They are going to, no, like, through the mobile communication, if they go more to their.
No, in our specification for the SCADA system, we don't have external communication or RTU. It's internal. I'll take this point.
We need to have like.
We don't know. We check the diagram.
Communication to communication. So
There is no
control, and communication should be there. Will communicate for.
See, I think this point we also discussed in earlier HAZOP. Remember in earlier HAZOP, we discussed it. They're right.